In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, a card designed to give you direct access to your PayPal balance, plus rewards and ATM access. For businesses that rely on PayPal for transactions, this card can be a convenient tool, making it simpler to manage finances directly from your account. First, let's start with the eligibility requirements. To qualify for the PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, you need to have a PayPal business account that's in good standing. This means no limitations or issues should be associated with your account. Alongside this, it's crucial to have a confirmed physical street address. A P.O. box won't do the trick. However, linking a credit card issued to that address or completing PayPal's location confirmation process can verify your address. Lastly, depending on your location, you'll need to provide either your date of birth and social security number, if you're in the US, or the equivalent identification for your country. Once you've ensured that you meet all these requirements, applying for the card is straightforward. Here's how you do it, following the US example. Start by logging into your PayPal business account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section. Under Wallet, you'll find the option for PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. Click on Get Started. At this stage, you'll need to confirm all your details. Make sure everything is accurate before you hit that Submit button. If your application is approved, the digital version of your card will appear immediately in your account. This means you can start using it online right away, or even add it to payment apps like Apple Pay or Google Pay for even more convenient access. As for the physical card, it will be mailed to your address, typically arriving within 7 to 10 business days. Now, let's talk about what you'll get with the PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. The card offers some great benefits without requiring a credit check. Your spending is directly drawn from your PayPal balance, making it easy to manage your business expenses. On top of that, you earn 1% unlimited cashback on eligible purchases, which is credited to your account weekly. This can add up over time, providing a nice bonus for using the card for your everyday business transactions. Another perk is the ability to add up to 3 extra cards for your employees under the same account, offering a seamless way to manage team expenses. In addition to all these features, you can use the card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, whether it's in-store, online, or at ATMs, giving you the flexibility and access you need for your business needs.